picking out something for someone special?
Wanted to do something special, you know what I mean? Just to show a little sentiment, you know what I mean?
Showing this sentiment to a special lady?
Family.
Family. Okay. What do you think about this one here?
Well, yeah, yeah. It's nice. I think it will work. I think it can work.
Yeah?
I mean, thanks.
Nice
Thanks
to
for your
meet
help.
you.
Alright?
Alright.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, man, I'm trying to reach Miss Williams. Is she there?
Is not here at the moment. Would you like to leave a message?
Oh, alright. This is Kemar. I'm trying to, let her know that I'm gonna be available for the appointment. And actually, I'm gonna be here a little bit early at the Matthews spot, yeah.
Wait, did you say Kemar? Is that Kemar Scott?
Yeah, yes, yeah. So just let her know that I'm there and I'm gonna be waiting. Alright?
Call Miss Williams and tell her the details so you guys can meet up. Okay?
Okay, no problem, man. No problem. So you're gonna thank you so much. Thank you very much. Alright, so I'm gonna be there early. Respect. Alright.
Hello? Mrs. Williams? Kemar called. He said he will be at Matthews. And I've already left the documents in the car. Okay.
You have reached the voicemail box of
Hey, babes.
Hello? Terrence, where are you? I'm at Matthew's. About an hour now, waiting on you.
Ah, swear. You know something just never remember. I get tied up in our business, me.
What do you mean by you forget? We had this date planned for how long now and you tell me say you forget about meeting? Come on, you have to do better than that.
I'm sorry about that, man. Honestly, I'm sorry.
What? Really? But then you're away to... Hello? Hello?
You know, I don't usually do this. This can't be like the last time, then. You need to take this serious, you know?
You know, lift that woman, you know.
Yeah, worry about soon left for her, man. I just don't want to just end it, so I want to kind of just take my time and ease her off a little bit, isn't it?
How long? A full time now, you know. Every time I see anything, you tell me, same thing you tell me over and over. A full time for you end it now.
I think you did understand the situation, you know. Honest to God, so I think you did understand the situation. Remember, so when you come, she there before, you know. She there before, so I at least have to just give myself a little time and give her a little time and just take time, ease her off. You understand? So you just have to just wait. Just relax, man, and stop first. Just wait.
So it shouldn't be that hard, right? Thank you for taking the time out, because I really appreciate that you're busy and you take the time out for me. You know what I mean? I appreciate it.
Alright, I'm in a rush, so I have to go. So next Wednesday, 10 o'clock, my office. Don't be late. And make sure you have the assignment. Alright?
Ah, no problem, man. That's easy.
Good evening, sir. My phone died on me out there. By any chance, could I get a phone call from you, please?
No problem, you know what I mean? No problem. Sit there. Sit there.
Thank you very much.
Just press the thing and open it.
Yes, I know what to do.
Alright.
Yeah.
Because you enjoy sex, you know. But so I'll be yours.
I wish my mother could call me. But that's all she knows.
Hello? Samantha?
Hey,
It's Tori.
Tori. Walk one.
I'm on the road right now and I've just been having a terrible evening. Yeah, like, long story short, I got stood up again. So I'm just there wonder if I could have come over to your place and just relax a little for the evening. Like, I could just really use some girl time right now.
Girl, I know something at their home right.
Yeah, you're not at home? Alright, but you'll get there soon though.
No. Just give her around 15 to 20 minutes, man. Just finish up for me and do night one and then I go home.
Alright, around that time, if I leave now, I can reach your place around the same time. Alright, thank you girl, thank you so much. Alright, soon leave out. Meet you there. Alright.
Yo, I go see if I can work and cut before she reach her because it's true story them have to make sense. Cause if you tell her say long night town and me tell her somebody at work, that have to make sense. So I cut. Then
After I never expect her to stay until she come.
People are who that? Go find him. Owen. Hello.
Me single.
Listen.
Me single. Me only my cigarette.
Pinky,
Me
may I play your cousin today?
single. Sister, me single.
I'm gonna put it on
Put it on speaker.
No, stay there, solid down, man. They don't see me. I'm gonna put it on
Oh, when they get fighters, oh, how this? Chevron.
So, may hang up on him, Kaba?
Chevron. What name? What's my name?
Chevron.
Chevron.
I say, how would this Chevron?
What one that teeth you know for twang? You try twang, come here.
Yeah.
So Jesus Christ, so just reach a far and start twang. You already curious?
Yeah.
Tell me when you're ready. Alright, me tell her when ready. Hold on.
Ring back your phone.
No.
No.
Alright, ready now.
Hello.
No, you didn't have your phone in your ears.
Oh, me dear, my ears.
Yeah, ready now.
Hello.
Hello.
Pinky.
Hello.
Where going?
There, man, what happened?
There. You know what I say? When I was young, I tried to get the number. You know what I want to remember what I call them in Jamaica, I have to get the number. I try to reach out to you, man, because why? Are you with me there, so you know?
I see a word, man.
Are you busting me get a meet a white man and the other side, you know?
So, Jesus Christ, Chevron. You reach a friend on a tongue already?
Yeah, man. Boy, you want lipstick? Hold on, help me can't cut.
Blood clot.
Really? I hit me the one say all that.
You know twang
You
there.
know.
Twang. But then
I
you
even want to
have improvise.
I want to like an aunt.
That good, man. That good. That can cut out.
Let me see Angel. Mr. Angel.
How about tea for that?
Right side away, Angel, they're up, you know. And they look on me, so my name see me, you know. They come like home and say, look through this over there, then.
Hi, Cross.
Angel over there.
I be a thing you go on with now. And if you stop video, you know, you see till you're over next time, because you don't get done.
They laugh.
Yo, stay away there. Big boy, the people. So people don't remember for like the video them. So I can invest in my movie channel Lux.
For real, man.
Work, yeah, man, and you with me up the side, so you know, say I'm going to make a piece of money. You have to know piece of food from the thing away, see?
Yeah.
Hey, Father, no hope is there.
You know what, some day I take it easy to go. Lay down on the phone a while ago. I see her kind of say, backside, she gonna reach already. Alright, that morning.
Subscribe, people. Subscribe. Bam, man, and bomb buckler. I can't shoot that and be a Peter chat. Papa, you don't know, say I shoot Papa, it's up nice.
Phone ring up.
Hello, good evening.
Dog, we are trying to shoot on a beach.
I don't know general, I think this a camera I shoot with.
No, dog, we there, you know, so we are shoot.
Alright, go on.
Alright, tell TV, say, yo, just take it easy, man. Nobody has something to like see, you know, we call her and make sure you know what I'm going. And then do the conversation. Then, so, alright, look at me. You ready, TV?
Yeah.
Alright, tell him what just say. Tell him.
Alright, yes,
Tell him what just say. Say, yo, so nobody has something to like see, you know, man. If anything, we just show it up, look at me. Tell him that, tell him that.
Yo, so nobody tell me?
No, man. You tell him, Sophie. You said that.
Oh, that's me you say. Oh, that's me you say.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, where's I go?
Yeah, me
Alright.
yeah.
Alright, ready?
Yo.
Yeah, here.
Yeah, man. Nobody tell him to like you know.
Oh, yeah, say man, you good man.
Yeah, man. Me dey on the road now. When me dey far, me go link you back later.
Alright, I see a word, children. Big up yourself.
No, Tiffy.
Yeah.
When me want you to tell her, I said, nobody has something to like see. You will call her and make she know.
Make Lexi know. Oh, me understand.
No, me just call her a while ago. Listen to me, man.
Oh, tell him just call
Me
her.
just call her a while ago, man.
Alright, so yeah, so tell him.
Just call her a while ago and she a cry, but she get over it though.
Yeah, man, so yo, just tell her, say, yo, if anything me sure to look more, can me just call Lexi to you know and make she know what I go on. So,
She
did a ball.
hang up like she a call her back.
Yeah, man, she did a ball. So, yeah, me sure to back, because she all like she call him back, you know.
Me get you. Alright.
Okay, alright, me tell her when. Wait till I buy the gun. And ready now.
You know what say? Me just come off fire phone with Lexi a while ago. She had a ball and a ball in most way. Yeah, call me back here. Yo, me too call you back here.
Alright, I see a word.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Alright, so this I know, this a time I know. Who I call so?
Evaluate taxi, something like that.
Who?
Evaluate taxi, something like that.
A papa phone? Alright, so you evaluate taxi. Alright, so this a time I know you call Akeem now.
I'm going to say, yo, cuz, come here.
Yo, cuz, where you there? Yeah, man, more you calling me on the yard.
Right now. Come
You
on.
close come now?
Alright.
Yeah, close come.
You ready to call now? You want to call Akeem?
No, I'm not for the pan of phone.
You're not for the pan of phone coming on, right?
Yeah, but you
I'm
can
looking
answer right just so. Answer right just on in me telephone voice.
Alright, cool.
Yeah. Just give Akeem space and he can talk to me, can telephone voice, phone voice. Just pretend like you're calling me. Pretend like you just come off my phone. Put back the phone again already. Jesus Christ.
Hotline.
Yeah, my general, me tell Papa if you shout you back because we are using phone now and seeing a film. No, up on fire, we are using phone and film. So, me tell him to call back in 2 minutes. Yeah.
Alright, pretend like me just come on my phone.
Yeah, set the phone, set you like you did set you. I said, alright, look come on and dial the phone. Pretend like you dial Akeem and then start talk. Action.
Alright, look more. Yo, cuz.
Oh, what?
Where
I'm there, you know, what going?
there, man, I can't go and give me one link right now.
Alright, may I come? Give me about 10 minutes. May I come right now? Give me about 10 minutes.
Alright.
Alright, good. Alright, Akeem, so look at you, Akeem. But more do one extra shot before you did start talking.
To
TV. So set like you did set before. Mankind heart have no love.
Alright, good. So, may I shoot now, so I have to put on the camera. Alright, just there. Right there, so. Getting a character. Getting a character that youth will always get put in a friend zone. Although I don't have no experience with that concern. I joke me, I make always in a friend zone.
Alright, put yourself in there.
Knock on the door?
No, yeah, make it try and establish shot with her first.
How are you going on?
Don't care.
Alright, so she come off her phone. How much she handle it? Yeah, make it just walk in.
Just walk in?
Yeah, you need to wait, turn right. Go back for around the door and walk. Ready?
Pinky! Oh. What go on, cuz?
No, I'm doing no serious talk, you know. Plug out the mic. I think so they can grab 2 cameras and I can shoot it. You see? Oh, yeah, shoot it. I shoot this morning. Early morning, late evening.
So go again, friend up?
Yeah, man, same thing, man.
I'm lucky door can knock on it down.
Yeah, man. Just knock on it and then come in, no matter if you come out. Me tell you. Action. I'll tell you something for that. Ready?
Pinky!
Oi, cuz.
What go on?
I don't move. I'll say the same thing. I'll come in. Sorry. Think you can come in and consider right side of it. You don't set up to the other set over there. Alright, so step up. Come from the center. But yeah, like you're knocking your arm coming. As soon as you come in, just sit up and stop here. Ready now, Akeem?
Pinky!
Oi, cuz.
What go on, cuz?
There.
How do you sitting that time? I'll tell us 10 minutes. So what go on?
They reach fast door.
Where are you going?
I wanna know, Richie.
Do you remember how you exactly say? So what you basically are saying, say?
It does start out.
I must have that.
You might, you know, say, me just.
Time I make sure you know someone Alexi for a long time.
Yeah. So you just are going to it and settings, you know, say. Me just come off my phone. No, me just come off my phone with Chevron.
Oh.
Yeah, and in the phone and everything good. So you plan work.
Okay.
You see me plan work. Yeah, and you plan work. So, and then I tell him, say, the number of curiosity you say, boy, me just hope, say, this is how you make me get myself involved in that. Me just hope, say, record for you because you're like say a friend
For 13, 14 years.
Yeah, and she
No,
never want you. And she never want you, so, boy, I mean, I know if this is going to work out,
If
but...
you wanted to do it a long time.
Yes, but boy, you must know, you know, but you have to just do what you have to do, but we'll work out for you. That's what I thought, oh man, it will work out for me, she's not a boyfriend.
Your best cause.
Yeah.
Best this.
Yeah, you know, because, that's only you alone could pull off something like that. So, we just get into it and everybody.
Yeah.
I love cheap fans and all that.
I'm there for a bun up too.
I don't know about it, that bun up if I'm just fool.
Let's be a side, man. Let's be a side, man.
Alright,
I need to do it. Oh, you can't start that. I want to make a call. I want to make a... She say, after you come fast, then you can say, I want me to just call me all of a sudden say. And then you can tell him, you know, so I see him, so they ask me to do work or let me just check the show on.
Push up it and lock up the door so you can hear that song and sound. No love.
Drop the shop off?
Tommy.
Oh, so I'm going to take it down.
Big boy.
Oh, you have to sit down for phone. You have to double click. You have to click on it. I'm going to try going to settings and I'll make it. What am I done? Go across the screen.
Well, you have to double click when the box come over it.
I know if you do it, man, but I'll just take off.
We said check MKDHD, dog.
Yeah, if I go through city for search. On the box, man, I can hear if I click on it. You can start by saying, you come fast, man. I'm ready.
You come fast though, cuz.
You want to know say you call me? I have some money to give me.
Basically, you know, say, see him sitting here, maybe you do just a come off a car.
I come from your side. You say no, say.
Basically, you see him sitting here, maybe you do it.
No, I don't want to say this. I'm just going to go straight. You know, sir. You know, sir, it's something you ask me to deal with Chevron. I'm not giving up.
I think it doesn't make me focus.
Yeah, same thing. So, it just come off my phone with Siobhan and boy, everything work out. See, and it work out beautiful. Let's see how it goes.
I full shoes that man.
Just big boy. Ready now? Ready, Akin. Ready.
So I'm here to talk to her, she has to
No, yeah, man.
Are you how are we
Alright,
live?
just have me come for So I'm going to some money you have to give me?
I know say I see him, so they ask me for the way whichever I do it do.
Oh, go on.
Yeah, he reach over.
Hold on. Siobhan, you gone up
He
for
reach over.
No, so I'm scared. Hey, me tell you, Me tell you, say you're a star,
You know, I feel.
Look back, you are giving one longer man.
Oh God.
Ready now.
Hold on. Siobhan, gone over already?
Yes.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? You're a star. If nobody else would ask to do this, then could have never come true. You know, I tell you, you're a real star, so that means we can't get in, you know?
Yes, because it's better for him and it's better for you too.
You mean a long
I want
time?
to make it check this right. Well, me want to talk a little bit more. Like say, yo, it's better for him. And I'm find a live good life over there, it's better for you now. So, it's better for you. Or me just, but yeah.
You work out.
Yeah, because it's a
between
long
you
time.
and her.
Yeah, because a long time. And she a friend. And just elaborate on that about the friend zone business. Sorry. I'm ready.
Because it's better for him and it's better for you too. Because watch out now, because. Oh, no, it's not.
Yeah, it's better for him and it's better for you.
Watch out now, because.
We
A
just
long
done
time.
something, man, yeah, man.
A long time I want her, no, because. No, I'm going too far.
Yeah, that's what I say, man. Say, yo, listen, it's better for him, better for you. Because I know say a long time, Alexi, your friend, you know.
Yeah.
So I just hope it work out for you because guess what?
I'm doing the local party, I'm doing the party.
No, man, tell you what, like, man, you know what the story about, you know? The story is about Sheva and Ghana friend, him asked if he do it,
Yeah.
and but you know Alexi don't want him, so you had give him advice about that.
So many people already say better for him and better for you.
Yeah, boy, you say that.
You know, like when some
And get
people
people
now,
and say,
they
those
can't
who
get through,
say
but I still
work
deal
out.
with it.
Just hope say work out for you and her, because a long time I want her. Start from the party?
Yeah, everything, yes, everything. I already know.
Because it's better for him and it's better for you. You don't know. A long time I want Alexis sisters, you know. A long time, cause. So I just hope everything work out, because my friend for 13 to 14 years, cause. If you need one, you know, they with you a long time. So just hope say. No, cause me just tell us, I just hope everything work out.
Of course it's not gonna work out. That sound like that. So.
More I tell him, say, you know, but the negativity.
Yeah, man.
Actually, I say, cause nobody will negativity. That me not like playing, no, cause nobody will negativity.
Because nobody the negativity, because now I know, say, she have a heartbroken.
Yeah.
She will need all the support from me which she can get.
Yeah.
I mean, I sit on you, know.
I'm ready.
Give me. Where sounds up? You know, I'm not have a workout, man. It sounds up. Gone, man. I know that she have a heartbroken right now, and me, she always a call for support. So you know, so like how she single, you know, that them man they gone, and me, she have to deal with, you know. We don't get through, man. I'm not top with the negativity, man. I talk to me like, say, I don't believe, say, I can't get it.
Cause, me just a say, cause.
Yeah.
Me just a say.
Just I say, yeah, when I say that now, say, me just I say, because enough man want me, and baby, and...
Our parents say, no man want me, I want to see, he panty what? He panty catches up, he
Well, that was a deep, but enough man want me.
Want me, I mean them in a friend zone.
I may have them in a friend zone.
I may have them in a friend zone.
You can't even see it's something. I'm ready.
Cause, me just a say, cause...
Where you want?
If you want...
Where you want?
You
can't give man, me not say.
See that? If Jai taxi man a call you.
If I'm a driver, not you.
Yeah.
Oh, you tap out your nose? You doing? You doing? Ready?
Cause me just a say, cause enough man want me and me have them in a friend zone.
I tell you, cause me I like to think different, man. Like me I get here, man. I don't care, man.
Right, cause
Alright, me never realize, but hope say not dead. Because we say movie dead. You understand? No, yeah, because we movie shoot more uptown and respect. I will shoot no for part of it. So uptown.
that's not dead, that's so lively.
No, me I talk. You know what I mean? Me don't know what
Yeah, me know what you're saying. You want to live with Jamaican.
You want it, that's why I tell you, say, yo, enough man, I look.
It's not that me this year.
No man, me understand me now. Me understand I'm curious I say you want to put more emphasis on it.
Oh,
Yeah,
more
I can't say
energy.
them can't see me the jazz scratches.
Oh.
I think that bad. That bad?
No, not good.
So
Enough
stop
man
up
want
on the
you
past,
can't
me just a say cause
Right.
enough man want me.
And
And then can you smell me jazz sketches?
Yeah, them in a friend
Me have
zone.
them in a friend zone. That's what
And they
I'm
go in
saying.
a friend zone forever.
And they go in a friend zone.
Because I don't see them as somebody who want to look on top of me.
Okay.
Rascal.
I see the mathematics now because you want it blunt.
Alright. We love this ever.
Hold on.
Rough. Alright, you get there now.
Already.
Okay. Ready?
Cause me just a say, cause enough man want to smell this a jazz sketches and can't smell them. Me have them in a friend zone. And me and them will never there. Much as you come on top of me. You hear me? I say, cause me just a tell you something.
But that's because that's a you, man. I want to, man. We are content about all the jazz catches fight.
Cause you know something like how you behave. Me just a put up a girl and look at it. I'm not like how you behave, man.
I've look of faith in them, man. We'll get in. So you said, gone.
Yes, cause.
The house gone.
Deal with it.
So she'll call man because she heartbroken. She always a call me, you know, everything you want to call me, send me go uptown and parade and all, but you know how long me I wait for this moment?
You know, cause.
Make you work out. Yo, so
Alright, so you think the Mexican call now?
But I want to emphasize, where were you now?
Siobhan.
Sheva.
One thing I can say, yo,
Siobhan
this is
boyfriend,
Siobhan. When Siobhan lock, let's see. So I call him, it's going to cut down someone call him. Because, like, you want to love
when you man that the man they call it
get
cut
that man
down.
that yeah, show say,
yeah.
Sorry. You people in my camera say if you come to the camera.
alright, tell us who come for you.
Alright.
One shot.
Then done the lock up.
Yeah, man, tell us who come for you.
alright, carry on. Yeah, man, we can
Come on, Tiffy. Come here. Go for it. I see over you can't pass this. Give them some collect this no fan. Yeah.
They have a key over there?
Yeah, they have a key. Alright, so key more going on. You can probably slice that part there in some place, right?
Yeah, man.
Akim, how many if you tell you? It's like a conversation them with JR them had this morning. They shoot them too tight. The reason why? Then tight shot there for when a man and a woman attack. And the conversation intense.
No, you see, because
The same
it's
time,
nice
then
and
if you
thing. But you can't hear this
if you
when I
shoot,
come
can
round.
you do it
You see when
wide?
I come round though?
When man and a man attack, it shot off so tight, it look too intimate.
Yes, when you come round, but you can't give up on the situation like that because it's nice and everything and I can't.
Copy boy.
No, you know some people
Me
sometimes
I
tell them
send
fitness every tapping eyes and
Fine,
when nobody feel now
Up
we're
next
so
to
we just
you.
split, we just shoot it. Ready?
You ready?
Yeah man, she'll call me because me always call me, send me go uptown and parade and all but so miss hurt and say she'll call me, I'll get in. And you see you want Javon too, why me I tell her? He call him, my call him get cut down because so right now I know so I call him I'll come in more frequent. Me usually could have call her certain hours and night, via how him lock her, and then the call get cut off. Say, yo, you see, I look, you think you're easy. You get the man gone a foreign with woman, yo, you're tough, beretta, cuz. I forget it.
Alright, cause. Wait, you
Alright, so wait.
Javon?
You know?
You realize he ain't said Javon?
Siobhan.
Siobhan, man.
A
Alright,
Javon.
what me I say? So you check, you can answer team say, ambition in all, you jump up to me, ambition
Wait,
you never say I jump up and answer this and that, ambition in all. When you get when I white girl, I'm saying I'm foreign too. You understand? You want that, yeah. So that's how I can them looking into it,
Wait, say it
Jamaican, he must...
ambition
You jump
Yeah.
up and down and happy.
I'm making it also forget what white girl
Girl,
say
feel you can
overseas.
go find, go better your life too. So they are no Jamaican girl.
Yeah, tell him some ambition, you know, have to chew.
Yeah.
Because you can get one of the white girl up out here.
Because
Yeah, but I'm making it up white girl say me go overseas to get better life. They are jump up and down.
Like your man.
Alright. Yeah.
How would that be?
Nice control.
Hmm?
Yeah, man, me not, you see, if you come out of paramilitary training, Richie, and if you deal with them, and sitting with people now, no discipline, dog, you're rough.
I say you got to say world state.
World full of difference.
World full of no discipline. Unless the more teach military school. Alright, ready now.
I jump up and down ambition and have.
No, I think that too.
Jive.
Oh, laugh and say.
Yeah, come
Laugh and say.
Oh, no, let's look before that. Just use take
Eh.
pan shit. You even jump off with a jive. Just say it.
Yeah, so
Yeah, you see, it's easy, you know?
Eh.
Take from those and then if you want to reply.
Ready now.
I see how you know easy, you know. Get the man going, fuck no. You're tough. You're tough, girl.
Yeah, you come up, boy, you jump up and down ambition and have. I'm making it tell me to forget when a white girl them give you go overseas, go make life better for you.
Stop going somewhere. I want to say Alexi, me love. Look how long me, look about 13, 14, me love Alexi, me love, man. I'm telling you, man.
Alright. Hope things work out. Wish you all the best. Say it again. Hope things work out for you. Alright.
Tell him, say, no, Alexi, me love, man. But you want Alexi call Hakeem right just in court?
Yeah, take calls.
Alright, so anytime she said that already, alright, the little last part I want to say, you couldn't
When Lex went to the call,
turn off
your voice is here in the background?
No, try to turn off because it's a gift from
Eh?
me.
Your voice is here in the background, don't you?
When
When
Lexi,
Lex call.
Yeah.
I wish Lexi. So
we
Lexi
see not there again.
Yeah, man.
Lexi, only
Yeah.
the part with Hardy.
Yeah.
My
Yeah, man,
voice
your
is there,
voice
yeah, my
calling.
voice.
Yeah.
Your voice is
Yeah,
nice.
Let me make you call it. Make you hear it.
Yeah, you want to the concrete.
Yeah.
You want to stop right and that means your voice in the background. So, bam, you can just...
You can just get one little piece and then switch it back to Lexi.
Yeah,
No,
man.
man, what you
Oh,
say?
yeah.
You can get some more. If any part you can get out tight, take it.
Call
But any
the
part you
police.
don't get out tight, you make it go on while it's carry a jive. You know what I mean?
Go catch one part then I'll see what I go on.
Oh, you look on fire. You still a video, brother?
So don't let them fool you with them innocence.
No, put the camera for me.
This is a place where cameras work all the time.
No, put it for me.
Don't let them fool you with them innocence.
What going on, youngie?
We'll call our way. We come up here.
Hey.
I'm afraid, man.
You want charger or a some charger?
What are you doing? You alright, go?
Don't let them fool you.
Alright, so BTS done right and now I just like memorize which one I did set to Lexi.
Yeah, cool in there, man. Yeah, cool in
Pick up
there.
on yourself, subscribe,
Yeah,
like,
go
share,
down.
all the good things. Later.
Throw the dice too.
Yeah, dash it, dash.
Take a dice on it. Go take a dice on it.
No, I'm taking the nice one.
Nice,
No, they're top.
Yeah, me say that to me, say can't hear you now. Just your guys, they must can't hear.
Nobody play now, you're not taking from them, man. It's time for call.
Stop and done.
Let's go.
Hold on.
Hakim could I night in a way. What Hakim night? Make it sure it makes sense. Time.
You want to keep it?
We're gonna pass through. But put on your regular shirt though, because you put your regular shirt.
Alright, great shot.
Let's put on regular shirt and take our mat, but nice to eat. Because you don't have too much time in my shirt.
Wait, no, you know what I mean?
Just put on a shirt.
What I do?
You see you come in, just look at the door. You come in the yard, say you come in the yard.
You want to come on?
And see with money, I count out the money. Where are the money?
Come see Pinky account of money.
My pink girl.
Yeah, you can ask him to walk on.
No, nothing.
Walk on, everything good, man. Come on, say you can't be in trouble by kidnapping, or they'll put away.
Everything good, man.
Everything good.
Grandpa, let me see me calling you.
I'm going to say everything good, man.
No.
Oh, me I say everything.
You are asking, so what go on with you, Alex?
Oh.
Everything good, man.
Everything good. You have money, call me money. Ask check if you have money.
You know, it's a money and never miss money.
I can't right now. I go for your money for money.
Oh.
No, when I go for the money. You take anyway, can you go for your money and then after him going, just going. Come back, don't catch the money. If you don't touch the class part. Keep him there, maybe someone that comes in.
So I just go and catch her account out some money, is it?
No, I don't want it.
Oh, so you want she? Oh, you want she walk out of the house? As I walk out.
You better when you have some money account. Wait. When this man is going to collect the money. This man is gone already. Let's make him go. The chance is there. Chance is there.
Oh, so as I walk out, the market.
Yes, he come in.
Okay, alright, thank you. Walking. Watch it all the time.
Can I get a call? You get a call from my boy that come for money.
I'm going to go for it. You swear to get the card from me one?
No. Take a call.
Oh, give me the card.
Let's take a call. Let me show you.
Alright, so alright, so.
Hakim, go sit down tonight. You can't sit down and read to me. So I want to hear. I have my own for me. I have your own for me.
Alright, thank you. So nice.
Step dirty, you know, man.
So you go. Some in there, chair me there. I chair me there. Oh, alright. Yes, I have pink chat boat now. I don't say I have chat boat. I'm on the party.
I'm alone, I'm a media.
You cannot talk to things to one. No, no, you have to say to one.
Yeah, Lexi.
Everything good.
Everything good. I'm going to borrow money for you.
Okay.
You can't do anything. I don't know, but I take a thing for you too. Send your phone me.
After my phone a ring, after my phone a ring.
Your phone ring.
My phone. Give me one phone.
I don't phone about one. I'm going to go. Ready?
I'm walking, no, I'm walking as in.
Come here,
See, I'm down in my cut too. Okay.
When you are put at him down.
So she going and I go so. Can I say how much you do from?
No, lock it door, come on, lock it door, come on.
Oh, it's
When you go lock it door. But I don't want
to go.
You can't do what I do.
By now, you should leave Alexi here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Akinos, the phone a ring. The phone a ring.
Can I phone the come, please?
Alton, my phone on the computer stand, carry come. Yeah man, so you go and watch, subscribe and support the movement. You don't know anything about the BTS.
Hey guys!
At its best.
Yeah. Persistence, all in me and shoot, man. Get some.
Persistence is to try throughout this precious time. Don't block the BTS, alright? That's why I hold it.
No, I'm blocking man.
Yeah, I'm blocking, man. Kind of on the way.
So why this looks so black, man?
Fuck me.
Sharp.
Have to color grade when you look at it.
And it's sharp.
Go start the conversation, right?
I show me change it to vivid.
Sharp.
Yeah, you can start the conversation. So I go on with you and Lexi.
Remember
No, so I'm not starting money first.
Yeah. I'll start with you. I'm ready.
This one, hold on a moment.
Let me set it back.
So I said to him, cause right now I'm gonna take a money from right now, you know.
Then the day I will come and call you up. No, not only about the money, but tell you when I get something right now.
Alright.
Alright.
So I'm going to the front door. No, sir. I'm not taking one.
Come back. The sun will show you. Alright.
No, so different to do because I'm not taking money from you. I'll go and invest it.
Why? Cause you would have taken money from right now. They are waiting for the car.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? Every time I go on like, you want to start with it. I'm foolish. You know, change. You want to find out right now.
Cause we don't have no money right now.
I don't appreciate that one.
Come back. I'll shoot over the shoulder.
Go on, man.
What is it today?
I'm going better than I do.
Well, that's how we work, come on, edit. You know, look who's talking. Who's talking? Alright, ready now.
Cause
Oh, yeah, again.
So start front up?
Yeah, man.
I'm in front of the door because I can't let me out. Get some money.
Cause I'm gonna take the money from you. I'm call me wait for the right now.
You know what I'm saying? After I go on to like, come and start. You want to find out there now? What? Such change on the
Cause me not no money, cause.
Alright. No, I appreciate it.
So yeah, how you Alexi?
No, but everything is good, mommy. I can't go. Everything good with me, Alex. I'm not driving back over there. I'm here and go right now. I'm here and go over there now. Shower there, shower here. Live the man. I'll make you live it and see me.
Lexi?
Actually, go Lexi.
So cause, how you Alexi now?
Lexi good, man. Lexi good. As a matter of fact, go over there and go be a child.
No, me a beard and shade over there.
Oh, I'm thinking of say over there.
No, you did say you should live over there. So, I go buy something? So, cause, how you Alexia now?
Lexi good, man. Everything good with Lexi. I know what boom! Ready again?
Ready.
So, cause, how you Alexia now?
Lexi good, man. Good. Right now, I'm going to be a whole lot of pressure and go over there right now.
Are you also switching about 200?
Oh, me I say,
Ready?
you should live over there.
What you want to do? I want to sometimes want to get like some far shot. That have this one try, but you have to get some.
Oh, and tell us what I left on?
No, I have one to 200. That's not 200.
Oh, make have it?
No, that's it. Sometimes it. Over there, no, it's over there. You shouldn't have beard. Over there, you shouldn't have beard. You should have, over there, you know, you shouldn't live over there by now.
By now, and a beard too.
And I get steamed fish and okra in a bed.
Alexi cannot.
In a movie?
You don't know that Alexi.
Ready now.
Should I live over there by no cause? You should have live over there by no cause and a beard too.
I rush nothing, you know. One step at that time.
You say that more instead, I rush not, you know, one step at a time, and then you put that see.
Yo, I'll come put coffee nice and I'm black it.
No, I'm lucky.
When you're right back.
That money 49 one clear. My foot in the lens, brother.
Yeah, but it's how your lens set. My foot have. Look
Yeah, but I want big part of your foot in the lens.
But look how in frame, yeah, in frame, yeah.
Your foot in the frame, brother.
You didn't sit on this, so.
That's how they always did me, people. That's why. That's why.
Me not big case, you know, in a head. Right now.
I rush not now. One step at a time. One step at a time.
Right, cause I hear.
Oh, got one door.
No, me want to tell them. Alright, you know what? You cut left, look at me.
I cut left, man.
Yeah, cut left, right. So back at that again, me do it.
Or maybe sa baka wala pa rin?
No, I make him say myself. So then walk left. That's what we're on.
Ready?
Action. No, yo. Put the microphone behind already.
You can reach somewhere?
Yeah, man, put it behind.
No. Hold on. That's it. Yeah, I hear fun and I hear it.
Alright, and close, we are closing now. No.
No, choker. Pinky.
Huh?
No, choker.
No.
I want a piece of clothes, a garment, a clothes.
Come.
Okay, alright, ready.
Alright, ready now.
Nah. Hey, come on.
That phone's always growing. Yeah, ready now.
Nah, there's nothing in a clothes. One step at a time. One step at a time.
Alright, cause I hear.
Hey, here up. No, don't move, I know. So, me see you. Alright?
Alright, cause. Hello. Alright.
You just said, alright, now come right now.
Oh. You back? And plus we can go lock the door.
No, man, that's good, man. That's fine. Kitchen. In here.
Hello. Alright, may I come? Yeah, may I come?
Time, man. It's not it's time. Say, alright, may I come right now? Me tell her. And ready.
Alright, may I come right now? Yeah, may I come?
Alright, take out this stand, me shoot you walk with. Put on the chair. Yes, sleep. Stop same place and just mark my phone and lock the door and walk it. Alright, ready?
Just say, alright, may I come?
Yeah, and then lock the door. Here you go.
Alright, may I come? May I come now?
Very good. Alright, walk back in the seat.
Normal boss, for your time.
One more, you do. Walk back in the seat and sit down and then call all the time.
I am Pinky then and some movie.
So
You want to find a way,
yeah, you're right.
Yeah, try to go around.
Lock the door.
And then, when we reach right now, we're going to here and call.
Yeah, I'm call all the time. Alright, no good. Yo, kan ik right down and make me have a sitting here,
That's how I have him.
Money.
Oh.
Yo, call him right now. I have the money for you.
No. I when you say, what you say. After when you give him back your money, you bet.
How much money there?
You have money for him. Nobody have money for him, can you? They're curious to send 5 grand. See, you wanna?
Where's some money there, mama?
Okay. No, money come now, brother.
I will have it. Tell curious to get 5 grand.
So me have money and a friend, you know.
What?
Rumors them spreading.
Money there in my hand, you know.
You didn't collect money for that, man?
Huh?
Nobody was money.
Yeah. I need.
So I can never make it.
Ready?
No, coming in, no, so me don't do this apart.
Ready?
1 second.
Wait.
Go back from behind the wall. Alright, ready now.
Think. Oh. Come make no nice again. Where's something?
That sound in it loud. Music.
Just trying to buy my mic, see my channel. I will have on the hard drive, I need but I think that I'm buy this is the mic and the battery pack for the camera.
Want to start being ready now?
You buy it up.
I'm going to produce it.
Now come back on. Ready?
Think! Oh! I don't know why you have to make me come around and make no nice again for money. Where's something? Take this thing.
Wait. Ready now. Yeah, make sure we count in the car. And we use money and friendship I see anything and keep friends.
Ready? Make sure some account in the car. I foolishness with them. So yeah,
no. Tell him, say, yeah man, we are friends now. You get back your money, you are friends now.
I want me to say.
Hey, listen. Friendship done, you know.
Friendship done, you know.
Friendship
done. That's all. I want to deal with these kids as a Richie. Weird man.
Get back your money, so friendship done, you know. You know, shot, Curious. Curious, you know, shot. You know, shot. Now come back and my car. I already know.
Yeah man, I have a friend I know. You see me? I have a friend.
No man. Friendship done yourself. We are not friends.
Yeah man, friendship done yourself now. You get your money, so you can go on. Me and no friend again.
Move, go on by business.
And then you can tell me, say, I saw no go on when...
Me know.
Because you have some people, you know.
Hey, you know me.
Yeah, you have some people. Yeah, you know some Jamaicans. Yeah, them good, you know, when they have the money for you, but as soon as they give you, them broke friendship with you because they feel like they never. Anytime they forgive you, they come like a war. Cussing man and big station. Right, so yeah, so.
I want to be a friend and no man.
No. Friendship broke right as I don't right as so. You get back your money, friendship now so. Move first and go with this. One, move.
You see, one little dirty Jamaican.
Dirty, you're bright. Don't come now, dirty, you're bright.
You see, one little dirty people.
No.
You see people like you.
Yeah, people like you.
You see people like you. Yeah, we are going to be here. Because. Hold on, come, give me camera.
Yeah, no, but me do I have to go now. Me do I have to go before that. Yeah, you just say, friend, you have a friend I know. But that be happy. Something can go.
Run me again.
No, we have to do the first one. You're running.
Cut out the first one, I'm running.
No, you're not listening. We're saying friendship done. Come on, quick. I can't just tell you, you're a friend. No, so you can go on. You want friendship and money and something. Pretty young.
I want friendship done and no money. Something can go on.
No, man, we'll get back your money.
We're shooting.
Alright, now I'm ready.
Right now, I'm back.
Put the beer on the freezer.
Yeah.
Now you back in the boy. Something murder. Go on.
Jesus Christ Almighty Nazareth. God!
Right, you know you do as well.
You can't move now, man.
Come back.
Richie, move now.
Man, that gone long time, man. Go on, man.
Why? There's your back on him, Pinky.
Richie, go over there and laugh with you. You don't laugh.
Alright, go on.
I want to be a friend and no man. Friend and no man. Alright, so come say.
No, you
No, we
say
have
you
friend
back
now.
your
Nothing
money.
can go on.
Oh, okay. We are friend and no man.
Tell him. Ready.
Yeah, we are friend and no man. Something can go on, you know.
No. Friendship done so. Come on, wait. Come on, go on. Go on.
Yeah, we are going. All because you borrow my money. You ask about feet when I forget it back. I know you give it back. A problem. When you give it back, a problem. You see, Uno?
Come out and go on. Go on.
Everything good.
Where?
Me have yard, you know. I live somewhere. And on that tree, I live. You see, Uno? You go on here again. Here. Very good dogs.
I'm looking for a walk.
Come on, then.
No, man, not good, man. You look like my walk. Look up, man. Look up. Alright, good.
Next one. Next. Come in now, tall man. Change the clothes for us. Can't you take off clothes?
What do you want to change this?
I see him pants over, man.
If you want to change everything for your business,
More pants change. More pants change.
I last one this, I do.
I love one is more pants.
What was it? Oh, okay. Yeah, you can't do the things for them. Don't come with it. You go, shoot it to them. Alton, change the shirt.
You want to do this? Alton, the mic, you take up front this up.
Change the shirt.
The mic, you left out this Alton, you take up.
The mic, look at their use.
Yeah, look at mic, where they?
People are good at. Go find him. Owen. Hello.
Me single.
Listen.
Me single. Me only my cigarette.
Pinky, may I play your cousin today?
Single. Sister, me single.
When you put it on
Put it on speaker.
No man, stay there, lay down, man. Lay down, see, man. I'll put it on.
Oh, they get fighters. Oh, how this? Shevan.
So, may hang up on him, Kalma?
Shevan. What name? What's my name?
Shevan.
Shevan.
So, I say, how this? Shevan.
What one have teeth you know for twang? You try twang, come here.
Yeah.
So, Jesus Christ, so just reach your friend and start twang. You ready, curious?
Yeah.
Tell me when you're ready. Alright, me tell her when ready. Hold on.
Bring back your phone.
No.
No.
Alright, ready now.
Hello.
No, you didn't have your phone in your ears.
Oh, me have my ears.
Yeah, ready now.
Hello.
Pinky.
Hello.
Where go on?
There, man, what happened?
There. You know, say, when I was young, me I try to get the number. You know, say, when I remember what I call them in JAMAICAN, and so me get the number. I try to reach out to you, man, because why? Are you with me there, so you know?
I see a word, man.
Are you busting for me get a meet a white man and the other side?
So Jesus Christ, Siobhan, you reach a friend on a tongue already?
Yeah, man. Boy, so on let's see. Hold on, I have to cancel.
Blood clot.
Really? I hit me the one say all that.
You know, twang
You
there.
know, twang.
But then
I
you
even
are
want to
improvise.
how long you not twang
That good,
TV.
man. That good. That can cut out.
How about tea for that?
Right side away, Angel, they're ramping up. And they look on me, so my name see me now. I come like home and I say, look through this over there.
Hi, Cross.
Angel over there.
I be a thing you go on with now. And then stop video me, you know, you see till you over next time to see them so.
Big boy. Yo, stay away there. Big boy, the people. So people remember if you like the video them. So I can invest in my movie channel Lux.
For real, man.
Work, yeah, man, and you with me up the side, so you know, say I will make a piece of money. You have to know a piece of food from the thing away, see?
Yeah.
Hey, Father, no hold the line. Let me tell you, teacher.
You know something they are take it easy though. You don't lay down on the phone a while ago. I see her call and say backside she gonna reach already. Alright. That one.
Subscribe, people. Subscribe. Bomb buckler. Me can't shoot that and be a Peter chat. Papa, you don't know say I shoot Papa, it up nice. Dog, we are trying to shoot and be a
I don't know general, I think this is camera shoot with.
No, dog, we there, you know say where I shoot.
Alright, go on.
Alright, tell TV say, yo, just take it easy, man. Nobody say nothing to like see, you know, me we call her and make sure you know what I'm going. And then do the conversation. So, alright, look at me. You ready, TV?
Yeah.
Alright, tell him me just say, tell him.
Alright, yes,
Tell him me just say, yo, so nobody say nothing to like see, you know, man. If anything, we just show it up, look at me. Tell him that, tell him that.
Yo, so nobody tell me?
No man, you tell him something, you say that.
Oh, that me you say,
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, where's I go?
Yeah,
Alright.
Alright, ready?
Yo.
Yeah, here.
Yeah, man, nobody say nothing to like see, you know.
Oh, yeah, say man, you good man.
Yeah, man, me dey on the road now, when me dey far, me go link you back later.
Alright, I see a word, Siobhan. Big up yourself.
No man, TV. When me want you to tell her, I said, nobody something to Lexi. You will call her and make she know.
Make Lexi know. Oh, me understand.
No, me just call her a while ago. Listen to me, man.
Oh, tell me just call her.
Just call her a while ago, man.
Alright, so yeah, so tell her.
Just call her a while ago and she a cry, but she get over it though.
Yeah man, so yo, just tell her, say yo, if I ain't think me short to look more, can me just call Lexi to you know and make she know what I go on. So
She a call back. Hang up like she a call her back.
Yeah man, she did a ball. So yeah, me short back because she a like she a call him back you know.
Me get you, alright.
Okay, alright, me tell her when. Wait till I buy the gun. And ready now.
I know what I'm saying. It just come off my phone and text me a while ago. She had a ball and a ball in more so yet. Yeah. She call me back here. Yo, me too call her back here.
Alright. Let's see how we're.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Alright, so this I know, this a time I know. Who I call so?
Evaluate taxi, something like that.
Who?
Evaluate taxi, something like that.
A papa phone? Alright, so you evaluate taxi. Alright, so this a time I know you call Akeem now.
I'm gonna say, yo, cuz, come here.
Yo, cuz, where you there? Yeah man, why you calling me on the yard?
Right now. Come on.
You close come now?
Alright.
Yeah, close come.
You ready to call now? You want to call Akeem?
No, I'm not for the pan phone.
You're not for the pan phone, come on.
Yeah, but you can answer right just so. Answer right just send me telephone voice.
Alright, cool.
Yeah. Just give Akeem space and can talk to me, can telephone voice, phone voice. Just pretend like you're calling me. Pretend like you just come off my phone. Put back the phone again already. Jesus Christ.
Hotline.
Yeah, my general, me tell Papa if you shout you back because we are using phone now and seeing a film. No, up fire, we are using phone and film. So, me tell him to call back in 2 minutes. Yeah.
Pretend like me just come on my phone?
Yeah, set the phone, set the like it, set the I said, alright, look come on and dial the phone. Pretend like you dial Akeem and then start talk. Action.
Alright, look more. Yo, cuz.
Oh, what? I'm there, you know, what going on?
I'm there, man. I can't go and give me one link right now.
Alright, may I come? Give me about 10 minutes. May I come right now? Give me about 10 minutes.
Alright.
Alright, good. Alright, Akeem, so look at you, Akeem. But I want to do one established shot before you did start talking.
To
TV. So set like you did set before. Mankind heart have no love.
Alright, good. So, may I shoot enough, so I have to put on the camera. Alright, just there. Right there, so. Getting a character. Forgetting a character that youth will always get put in a friend zone. Although I don't have no experience with that concern. I joke me I make always in a friend zone.
Alright, put yourself in there.
Knock on the door?
No, yeah, make it try to establish shot with her first.
What are you going on with?
Don't look here. Good. Alright, so she come off her phone. How much hand is? Yeah, make it just walk here.
Just walk in?
Yeah, make it wait. Stop right there. Go back for around the door and walk. Ready?
Pinky.
Oh.
What go on, cuz?
Hold on, then we'll see them talk, you know. Plug out the mic. I think so we can grab 2 cameras and time and shoot it. You see? Well, yeah, shoot it. That shoot this one. Early morning, late evening.
So go again, friend up.
Yeah, man, same thing, man.
I'll have to do can knock on it down.
Yeah, man. Just knock on it and then come in, no matter if you come out. Me tell you. Action. I'll tell you fucking karate. Ready.
Thank you.
Oi, cuz.
Go on.
Don't move. Just say the same thing. Sorry. Think you can come in and control right side of it. You don't set up to the other side or whatever. Alright, so step up. Come back side. But you like you knock your arm coming. As soon as you come in, you sit up and stop here. Ready now, Akeem.
Pinky.
Oi, cuz.
Go on, cuz.
There.
How do you sitting that time? I'll tell us 10 minutes. So how go on?
They reach fast though.
Where are you going?
I wanna know, Richie.
You remember how exactly I say? So what you basically are saying, say?
It does start out.
I must have that.
You might, you know, so me just.
Tell me that make sure you know someone Alexi for a long time.
Yeah. So you just are going to the settings, you know, say. Me just come off my phone. No, me just come off my phone with Siobhan.
Oh.
Yeah, and in their phone and everything good. So you plan work.
Okay.
You see me plan work. Yeah, and you plan work. So, and then I tell him, say, the number curiosity, say, boy, I just hope, say, this is how you make me get myself involved in that. I just hope, say, work out for you because you're like your friend
for 13, 14 years.
Yeah, and she never want you. And she never want you, so, boy, I mean, I know if this is going to work out.
If you wanted to do it a long time.
Yes, but boy, you must know about it. You have to just do what you have to do, but we'll work out for you. That's what I talk about, man. We can work out for you, she's not a boyfriend.
Best cause.
Yeah.
Best this.
Yeah, you know, cause, that's only you alone could pull off something like that. So, we just get into it and everybody.
Yeah.
I love cheap fans and all that.
I'm there for a bun up too.
I'm not bunny that bun up if I'm just fool.
I don't see be a side, man. I don't see be a side, man.
Alright,
I need to learn. Oh, you can't start as I want to make a call. I want to make she say, after you come fast, then you can say, I want to make you just call me all of a sudden say. And then you can tell him, you know, so I see him, so they ask me if you do work or I'm just check the show on.
Push up it and lock up the door so you can hear that song and sound. No love.
Drop the shop off?
Tommy,
I'm sorry, I'm going to take it down.
Big boy.
Oh, you have to sit on my phone. You have to double click. You have to click on it. I'm going to try going in the settings and I have my camera. What am I done? Go across the screen.
Well, you have to double click when the box come over it.
I know if you do it, man, but I just take off.
You said check MKBHD, dog.
I go through search. On the box, man, I can hear for that click on it. You can start by saying, you come fast, man. I'm ready.
You come fast though, cuz.
You want to know say you call me? I have some money to give me?
Basically, you know, say I see him sitting here, maybe do it though. Just come off a car.
I come on your side. Yes, you know, say.
Basically, you see him sitting here, maybe do it.
No, I don't want to say this. I'm just going to go straight. You know, sir. You know, so I something you ask me to deal with Siobhan. Yeah, same thing. So, I just come off my phone with Siobhan and boy, everything work out. See, and work out beautiful. Let's see how
I full shoes that man.
Just big boy. Ready now? Ready, Akeem. Ready.
So me attack her, she attack.
No, you can just
How we did?
Just say me come fast. So I'm some money I forgive me?
I know say I see him sitting there ask me for the door whichever I do it do.
Oh, go on.
Yeah, he reach over.
Hold on. Siobhan, you gonna
He reach over.
No, so I'm scared.
Hey, me tell you, you know. Me tell you, say you're a star, you know.
You know, I feel...
So fuck you, I keep it one longer, man.
Oh, God.
Right now.
Hold on. Siobhan, gone over already?
Yes.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? You're a star. If nobody else would ask to do this, then could have never come true. You know, I tell you, you're a real star, so that means I can't get in, you know?
Yes, because it's better for him and it's better for you too.
You mean a long
I want
time?
to make it well, me want to talk a little bit more. Like say, yo, it's better for him. I'm gonna find a good life over there. It's better for you now. So, it's better for you. And we just, but yeah,
you work out.
Yeah, because
between you and her.
Yeah, because a long time, and she a friend. And just elaborate on that about the friends when we say, sorry. I'm ready.
Because it's better for him and it's better for you too. Because watch I know, because... Oh, no, it's not.
Yeah, it's better for him and it's better for you.
Watch I know, because a long time I want her, because... No, I'm going too far.
Yeah, that's what someone say, yo, listen, better for him, better for you. Because I know it's a long time, Alexi, our friend, you know.
Yeah.
So I just hope it work out for you because guess what?
I'm doing the local party, I'm doing the party.
No man, say what like man, you know what the story about, you know? The story is about Chevron gonna find him active to do it.
Yeah.
And but you know Alexi don't want him, so you had give him advice about that.
So many people already say better for him and it better for you.
Yeah, boy, you say that.
You know, like when some people
not
know, they can't get through, but they still deal with him.
Just hope say work out for you and her, because a long time I want her. Start from the party?
Yeah, everything, yes, everything. I already know.
Because it's better for him and it's better for you. But you don't know. A long time I want Alexis sisters, you know. A long time, cause. So I just hope everything work out, because I'm a friend for 13 to 14 years, cause. And if you want you, I'm deal with you a long time. So just hope say. No, cause me just tell her say just hope everything work out.
Of course it's not gonna work out. That sound like that.
Boy, tell him, see, you know, but the negativity.
Yeah, man.
Should I say, cause nobody will negative. That means I like playing up, cause nobody will negativity.
Because nobody will negativity, because now I know, say, she's heartbroken.
Yeah.
She's going to need all the support from me, which she can get.
Yeah.
I mean, I sit on you.
I'm ready.
Give me. Where sound so? You know me that gonna work out, man. You sound so. Gone, man. I know say she have a heartbroken right now, and me she always a call for support. So you know, so like how she single, you know, that them man they gone, and me she have to deal with you now. Me will get through, man. I'm not top with the negativity, man. I talk to me like say I don't believe say I can't get it.
Cause me just a say, cause.
Yeah.
Me just a say.
Just I said, yeah, when I say that now, say, me just I say, because enough man want me, and baby, and...
I'm very enough man want me, I want to see, he panty what? He panty catches and put him head
Well, that was a deep, but enough man want me.
Want me, I mean them in a friend zone.
I may have them in a friend zone.
I may have them in a friend zone.
You can't even see it's something. Yeah. I'm ready.
Cause, me just a say, cause...
Where you want? If
you want?
Where you want? You
can't
give man,
oh, yeah, see that. If taxi man a call you.
If I let driver, not true.
Yeah.
Oh, you drop out the nose? I'm ready.
Cause, me just a say, cause enough man want me, I may have them in a friend zone.
I thought you would cause me and Alexi think different, man. Right, me I get here, man. I don't care, man.
Right, cause...
Alright, I never realize, but hope say not dead. Because it's a movie dead. You understand? No, yeah, because it's a movie shoot more uptown and I will shoot no for apartheid. So uptown...
That's not dead, that's so lively.
No, me attack. You know what I mean? I don't know.
Yeah, I know what you say. You want to look at Jamaica.
You want to, that's why I tell you, say, yo, enough man, I look.
that me this year.
No man, me understand me now. Me understand I'm curious to say you want to put more emphasis on it.
Oh,
yeah,
more
I can't
energy.
say then can't see me the jazz scratches.
Oh.
I think that bad. That bad?
No, that's good.
Enough
So
man
start
want
back on
you
the
and
past, me just a say cause
Right.
enough man want me.
And
And then can you see me on my jazz sketches?
Yeah, them in a friends
Me have
one.
them in a friend zone. That's
And they go in
a
a friend zone forever.
And they go in a friend zone.
Because I'm going to see them as somebody who want to look on top of me.
Okay.
I see the mathematics now because you want the blood.
Alright. We know what we say.
Hold on.
Rough. Alright, you okay there now?
Already.
Ready.
Cause me just a say, cause enough man want to see me this a jazz sketches and can't see me. Me have them in a friend zone. And me and them will never there. Much as you come on top of me. You hear me? I say, cause me just a tell you something.
But that's because that's a you, man. I want to man. We are going to tell me about all the jazz catches fight.
Cause you know, something like how you behave. Me just a put up a girl and look at it. I'm not like how you behave, man.
I've looked faith in them, man. Me will get in. So you said, gone.
Yes, cause.
You always gone.
Deal with it.
So she'll call me, man, because she's heartbroken. She always a call me, you know, everything you want to call me, send me go uptown and parade and all, but you know how long me I wait for this moment,
You know, cause.
Make you work out, Yo, so...
Alright, so you can call now.
But I want to emphasize, where was your name now?
Siobhan.
Siobhan.
One thing I can say, yo,
Siobhan
this is
boyfriend,
Siobhan. When Siobhan lock, let's see now. So I call him, it's going to cut down someone call him. Because, like, you want to love
when you man that they call it
get
cut
that man
down.
that yeah, sure say.
Yeah. Sorry. You people in my car say if you come to the
Alright, tell us who come for
Alright.
One second.
Then done the mother cup.
Look at me, no, there's nothing to tell you.
Yeah man, tell us who come for
Alright, carry on. Yeah, man, okay.
Come here, Tiffy. Come here.
Yo.
Go for it. I see over, you can't pass this. Give them some collect this. Yeah.
They have a key over there?
Yeah, they have a key. Alright, so keep on going then. We can probably slice that part there in some place, right?
Yeah man.
Akim, how many if you tell you? It's like the conversation them with JR them had this morning. They shoot them too tight. The reason why? Then tight shot there when a man and a woman attack. And the conversation intense.
No, you see, because it's nice and things. But he can't hear this when I come round. You see when I come round though?
When man and man attack, it shot off so tight. It look too intimate.
Yes, when you come round, but he can't give up on the situation because it's nice and everything. And
Copy boy.
No, you know some people sometimes tell them fitness and tap in eyes and we don't know nobody feel no way, brother. So we just shoot it. Ready? Yeah man, she'll call me because me always call me, send me go uptown and parade and all about, so it's hurt so she'll call me, I'll get in. And you see one Siobhan too, why may I tell you? He call him, my call him get cut down because so right now I know so I call him out come in more frequent. We usually could have call her certain hours and night, via how him lock her, and then the call get cut off. Say, yo, you see, you think you're easy? You the man gonna find with woman, yo, you're tough, me rate the cause. I forget it.
Alright, cause wait, you
Alright,
realize
so
he's a
wait.
Javon?
You know?
You realize he ain't a Javon?
Siobhan.
A
Alright,
Javon.
what may I say? So you check, you can answer team say, ambition you know, you jump up in there. Ambition you never say I jump up and answer this and that ambition you have. When I get when I white girl, I'm saying I'm fine too. You understand? You want to yeah. So that's how I give them looking into it.
Wait, say it to this all
Jump up and ambition and
jump up and down and happy.
Girl, feel you can't go find, go better your life too. So they are in Jamaican girl.
Yeah, tell them some ambition you don't have to chew.
Yeah.
Because you could have get when I white girl up out here.
Overseas to get better life, and then jump up and down.
Like your man.
Alright.
How would that?
Nice control. Come on, me not. You see, if you come out of paramilitary training, if you deal with them, I sit with people now, no discipline dog, you're rough.
I say you got to say world state.
World full of difference.
World full of no discipline.
Unless the more teach military school. Right, ready now.
I jump up on the ambition and have.
No, I think that too
Jive.
Oh, laugh and say.
Yeah,
Laugh and say.
Oh, now let's look before that. Just use take pan shit. You jump off with a jive. Just say it.
Yeah, so
You see it easy, you know?
Yeah.
Take from those and then you want to reply.
Ready now.
Let's see how you know easy, you know. Get the money gonna fuck you up. You're tough. You're tough, girl.
You come up, boy, you jump up on the ambition and have. I'm making anything to forget when I white girl them give you if you go overseas, go make life better for you.
Stop going somewhere. I want to say Alexi, me love. Look how long me, look about 13, 14, me love Alexi, me love, man. I'm telling you, man.
Alright. Hope things work out. Wish you all the best. Say it again. Hope things work out for you. Alright.
Tell him, say, no, Alexi, me love, man. But you want Alexi call Hakeem right just in court?
Yeah, take call, man.
Alright, so anytime she said that already, the last part I want to say, you couldn't
when Lex went to the call,
turn off the
your voice is here in the background?
No, try to turn off because it's a gift from
me. Your voice is here in the background, don't you?
When Lexi
call.
Yeah.
I wish Lexi. So Lexi
we see not there again.
Yeah, man.
Lexi, only the part with Hardy.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, man, your voice.
Yeah. Your voice,
man. Make you hear it.
Yeah, you want the concrete. You want to stop right and that means your voice in the background. So, bam, you can just...
You can just get one little piece and then switch it back to Lexi.
Yeah, man.
What you say?
You can get some more. If any part you can get out tight, take it. But any part you make it out tight, you make it go on while carry a jive. You know what I mean?
Go catch one part then I'll see what I go on.
Oh, you look on fire. You still have it, brother?
So don't let them fool you with them innocence.
Look the camera for me.
This is a place where cameras work all the time.
Look the for me.
Don't let them fool you with them innocence.
What going on, youngie?
We'll call our way. We come up here.
Hey.
I'm afraid, man.
You want charger or some charger?
What are you doing to ID? You alright, go?
Don't let them fool you.
Alright, so BTS done right and now I just like memorize which one I did set to Lexi.
You're cool in there, man. You're cool in there.
Pick up on yourself, subscribe, like, share, all the good things. Later.